So last night when we tried to flush the toilets, we have two of them on New Horizons. The fuse on both of the electric pumps failed. So what that says to me is that there is a clog somewhere downstream from both of the toilets, which is right under the sink here in the guest head. So I don't think this is going to be a fun job. Got to clear out this hose. So there is one of the pumps, and then it just goes to this valve here through this hose. So I think the clog lies somewhere in there. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Oh, God, that smells. Woo! Alright, well, we gotta see if there's a... God, that smells bad. The clock in here. Yeah, I have no way of really knowing if it's clear. Well, it turns out the clog was cleared, and now it was time for us to leave Vistamar Marina and head east to Las Perlas. So to help give you a visualization of the trip that we took, you can see here on these digital marine charts, we're starting at Vistamar Marina, heading east along that black line to the Archipelago de Las Perlas. And that red dot is our destination. 58.7 nautical miles total. Here we are crossing the Panama Canal shipping lanes, one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Dara, have you seen the water?
How clear it is?
Yeah. You want to go first one?
Yeah, let's go first one.
Alright, I just gotta get my goggles too.
Come on.
What happened?
Got stung by a jellyfish.
Oh no, does it burn?
It really burns.
Oh man. You should try putting pee on it.
I'm trying vinegar.
Vinegar? Okay, yeah, same idea. Is it working?
I don't know, it still really stings.
Well, after waiting a few minutes, I'm gonna give this a try. Hopefully there won't be any jellyfish in the water now. Ah, it feels good. beautifully set anchor. If you listen closely in the background of these underwater scenes, you'll hear the whales singing. And after listening to the whale song for a while, we decided to go ashore and explore the island. Doing our part picking up plastic that we find here on the beach. Well, thank you very much for watching until the end of this episode. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up button and the notifications bell. Stay tuned for next time as we continue to explore Las Perlas. See ya!